Have you ever thought of creating cinematic profiles on Instagram? If you haven't, so this video is very best for you. Hi everyone, today's video will be on creating cinematic style profiles on Instagram. So guys, it's Niladri from NDHD. Without any further delay, let's get hop into the video. Okay, so starting with the app name, we see Instagram Stories from Play Store. So I'll be placing the app link in the description, so go ahead and check it out. So the app name Instagram Stories help you to create cinematic profiles by selecting some of the best preset that suits your best pics on Instagram. The app is very easy to use. Just select any preset with the app, then select desired style. After that, tap on plus icon in the preset face and choose the photo from any folder available in your device. So after that, you are totally not done yet. Next, what you do is you can apply pretty much different kind of filter. You can even change text, stylize it, and even change the preset color layout. And it looks very cool though. And after when you're done, just save it. So how can you save it again? So you directly hit the download icon on the right button, or you can go to the right bottom hand corner of the screen and you can select directly a folder download icon and you are done. And you can always preview or view your photos in the gallery after it is selected or after it's downloaded. Okay guys, this is a pretty much short video about the new app which will make your Instagram much more better and much more cooler than average or any other regular person. So guys, this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you haven't, there is a dislike button. If you do, there is a like button. And if you please really care for my channel, definitely subscribe, share, and please like my channel as well. So guys, it's Nadri from NDHD, just signing out. Till then, keep calm and have a great day. Bye bye.